So today's video is about AOMEI's 2025 Christmas and New Year gifts. Every year they drop these crazy useful software giveaways, and honestly, most of them are the type of tools we actually use in daily routine. At the very top, you'll see their hot tools, AOMEI Backupper Home and AnyViewer Solo. Both are solid and honestly pretty helpful for normal day-to-day stuff. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see the PC optimization tools section. And straight up, these ones are actually worth it. Partition tools, an FPS optimizer, cleanup utilities, privacy protection stuff. Normally these things are expensive, like not everyone can afford to buy them casually, but here they're giving them away. Then we move into PC utilities, where you get different data security tools. And one of my favorites, DoYourData Super Eraser. I use it a lot, and honestly you should too. I'll show you in a moment why it's important for pretty much everyone who uses a computer. Scroll down a little more, and you'll see some multimedia tools and a website toolset. Basically, this stuff is for boosting productivity, whether you want to enhance or upscale videos, remove backgrounds, generate new backgrounds, whatever you need. Let me show you one small tool I personally like a lot, UltraPIC. Clicking on it opens a new page. Here you can upload any image where you want to remove the background. I just imported one for this quick demo. In the presets, you can either remove the background directly or apply a custom background. Both options are super easy. This is just a quick example, but yeah, you can generate custom backgrounds too. Now let me show you how to download these tools and register them using the keys they're giving. Just click here on the tool you want. I'm choosing the uninstaller because honestly, this one is really useful for me, and for anyone who uses their PC a lot. So after clicking, I downloaded it to the desktop and extracted it. If you have WinRAR or even the default zip extractor, it's simple. Once you extract it, install the setup. Inside the extracted folder, there's a notepad file. Open it and you'll see the key. They also mention the method there, how it works, how long it stays valid, everything. Just copy the key, paste it into the software, and that's it, you're done. Now you can uninstall programs from their root. Normally, when you uninstall something from Windows Control Panel or the Apps section, it only removes the main files and leaves leftover registry entries and folders behind. And those keep taking storage. With this tool, whenever you uninstall something, it properly wipes everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this giveaway. Big thanks to AOMEI Tech. They always drop giveaways on special events every year, and I genuinely appreciate it. Thanks to them for this one, and for you guys. Keep sharing their products, it helps a lot. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon. Take care, bye!